Hello everyone, this is Rafael Figueroa and I'm coming to y'all with another email processing training. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about email processing and how it is. Before I go on, I just want to tell everybody I appreciate everybody waiting for sites and everything like that, as my sister did pass this week. Okay, actually watching her niece with me now. She just wants to say hello. This is actually my sister's daughter, the daughter of my sister who just passed.
I'm Uncle Rafi's niece, and he joined his team to make money.
Thank you, Leaderbug. Thank you. She's staying strong, and I'm very happy she's staying strong. Well, guys, I just wanted to explain to you what email processing is. Process one email, get $25, and what that means is you're going to go out and get sign-ups, and you get 100% commission. But don't worry, because we're not like most of the businesses out there. We're going to show you, we're not just going to give you a link and say go make money. We're going to show you how to make that money. We're going to do the marketing for you. Just follow our steps, copy, paste ads where we tell you to, and the money's going to pour in. Trust me, guys, I've been in this industry over 7 years, and there is no failing, especially with me as your mentor. And I even have tools for those out there who don't have time to be posting ads to bring in the traffic. I have tools that will automate it for you and bring in the money, bring in the leads for you. So that's how simple email processing is. If you're a beginner or if you're a pro, do not worry, you're going to make money for this. I'm all about support, guys. I have live chat, I have phone support, I have email support. I even do one-on-one training where I can screen share with you and show you exactly how I make money so you can make money too. Until next time, guys, God bless. This is Rafael Figueroa signing out.
Bye.
God bless everyone.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Rafael, aka The Prodigy, and I know it's been a long time since I've showed you guys proof, and I've had a lot of people asking, can I see some recent proof? And I've been telling a lot of people I've been showing proof for years. If you don't trust me, then I can't work with you. But it is coming to the middle of 2016, and I gotta show you guys that email processing 2.0 is working, and it is working wonderfully, and I am seeing results, and my team members are seeing results. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna log into my PayPal back office. Keep in mind, PayPal is just one of my processors. So what you're seeing me making on PayPal is not all I've made today or I've made all month. I'm making at least 5 to 10K in my other processors a month, or even more. But I'm just gonna log into my back office and show you a little bit of the PayPal account, and then we're gonna go from there. So what I'm gonna do is click login for you guys. Everything's already basically pre-typed in, and I'm gonna go ahead and log in for you. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of scroll down here, and I'm just gonna show you the start of today. Well, that was a transfer I did this morning, and then as you see, a sale came in for $150. I want you to keep in mind these prices are going to look kind of different because I do run promos on my marketing, and if you came in through a promo, then they did get a discount. But if you come directly to the site or from this video, you will not get a discount, but there is a discount a day of $25 coming from YouTube. So if you come from YouTube and you mention that you came from YouTube, you will get $25 off your membership of the Pro or above. So there's 150. Okay, another transfer, of course. There's 50 more. As you see there, that's 200 already today. And then if I go up some more for you, you're going to see another 200 transaction. That's 450. Another 200, that's 650. A 750 of another 100 there. 870 of another 120 there. 970 of another 100 there. 1,170 of another 200 there. 1,470 of another 300 there. 1,550, we're about at. Just from today, 1,550 of just from today already in PayPal. It's only 6:22 in the afternoon, so I got a ton more transaction. This is just from a week and a half. Of the two transfers I got here, 7, 8. That's over $12,000 that I withdrew today. That I already expect in my bank account in the next 2 days. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, I still got $3,433 in my PayPal. Now that's just from the last 2 weeks of my earning over $15,000. and not including my other processors, ladies and gentlemen. And I just want to show you that I am in PayPal and that this is a secure page. As you see here, ladies and gentlemen, PayPal Incorporated. I'll go ahead and log out just so you know that this guy, Raphael the Prodigy, is serious and that I am in my account and that I am not joking with you, ladies and gentlemen. As you see, I'm out of PayPal now, back at the login screen. And ladies and gentlemen, I am excited. I am very excited. And if you're watching this video, you should be excited too, because you found that mentor. You found the guy that's been through the struggle just as you have and has came up from self-training, self-taught, self-motivation. God bless me. From working at McDonald's to being a boss by the age of 17 years old. And no, I did not come from money. I didn't have money for advertisement. I worked at McDonald's at 16. Helped my mom pay the bills, struggling. I've been through the struggle. I've been through the heartaches. I've been through not having money for bills, you know, through living a hard life, to being able to enjoy life now at the age of 26. Since the age of 17 and making my first 100K, I've been able to enjoy life and relax. Ladies and gentlemen, my why is my family. My why is being able to see my kids grow up without missing a footstep, without missing a first word. I love it, and I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep blessing others. So if you're watching this video right now, if you haven't gave me a call at 239-362-6591 or came to my website at emailprocessingreview.info, you are crazy. I'm there on live chat as well. So if you're phone shy, come on the website, hit live chat. Let's talk. Send me a text at 239-362-6591 or give me a call, and I guarantee an answer. Until the next video, ladies and gentlemen, you have a blessed day, and I hope to hear from you soon.